Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here in the workshop. Hey, you're probably wondering what happened to Walter. Well, as you can see, I've been a little distracted working on some wood turning projects, cutting lumber, some massive pieces of maple and cherry. We've got some beech over here, some beech bowls that have been rough turned. And we've got a stack of walnut and maple bowls back over there, all been turned. Yeah, so I've been a little busy. Sorry about this lousy video quality, but what has happened is Apple, in their wisdom, has decided that when they updated their operating system, I can no longer use my video camera and upload pictures from the camera to Apple. So there's some more bow blanks under there working as legs for my slabs here. These slabs are 2.5 inches thick. One is cherry, 2 are beech. So, and there's a cedar log back there. Now we call it cedar, but it's really not cedar. That there, common name, Eastern red cedar, also known as aromatic red cedar or cedar chest cedar. But it's not a cedar, it's a juniper, Juniperus virginiana. A friend of mine dropped off a log, he wants stuff made out of it. So we've been on the Stratos lathe back there doing some turnings, and I did a monster one yesterday. It's actually in here. It's 19 inches wide. Got to coat it with some anchor seal today, and yeah, so I've been busy. It's not like I don't want to upload videos, I just can't get them off the camera. So I'm trying this on my other camera to see if it will upload. So that's about it for today. Hey, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.